Hello friends, welcome back to my sessions. So today we will be going to write one Java program to check if a string contains only digits. Fine. So I will be going to put comments in the code for your better understanding. So for example, our problem statement is check if string contains only digits, that is basically 0 to 9. So for example, if we say 1 2 3 4 5, okay, so this is basically true. And for example, if we say 1 2, I say something 0 d something, and then I give 4 5, so this should return false. So now let's implement this logic. So very first thing, I will take one input string. So in our step 1 we will be going to take one input string. So that input string will be string str equals 1 2 3 4 5. Fine. Now in a double quotes, now in our step 2, assume initially string is valid. Fine, that is only digits. So we'll give boolean is only digits equals true. And now in our step 3, we will loop through every character of the string. We'll loop through every character of the string. So we'll give for int I equals 0, I is less than string dot length and I plus plus. Fine. And now we'll get char ch equals string dot char at I. Fine. So we'll get character at index I. So now in our step 4, check if character is not a digit. So Java provides character dot is digit okay ch method. So basically Java provides you character dot is digit and you can pass character inside it, this method. So with the help of this we can check. So we'll just give if not character dot is digit. Fine. And we'll give here is only digit, just taking one flag false here, and then just break. Okay, so this will be marking it as invalid if not character dot is digit character, and then no need to check further, just break. Fine. And now if you want to print the results, so that will be our step 5. So if you want to print result. So we'll give if is only digits. So we'll give here system.out.println, the string contains only digits. String contains only digits. Else the string does not contain only digits. Else the string does not contain only digits. Fine. So let's run this and see what should be our output. What is our output coming? The string contain only digits. Exactly. So this is what we expected. And let's suppose if I change it something like this. Now let's see. So now see, it's showing the string does not contain only digits. So this is the required and expected output. So I hope you liked this session and you really understood this simple logic. If you really liked it, do like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more such upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.